Okay, so what you do is download the WhatsApp Web Plus, add it as a toolbar, and then you'll just click on it in the toolbar icon, and then you'll need to open up the browser version of WhatsApp. So if you're already using the app version, then you just need to close that down for the time being. You can go back to using that shortly, and you just want to click WhatsApp Web Plus again to open up the features, and then click on Business Tools, and then there's lots of tools which hopefully some of them might be useful, but the right now anyway, it's just the broadcasting that we're interested in. So what you need to do is you need to add a template for what you want to use. I'll just call it volunteer chat. Now, I've not actually looked into the link video one, but I know File works for either an image or a video, so I've just been using that. So I'm just going to add the badge here, and yeah, basically there's a few different dynamic variables here. So it's the contact as it's saved on your phone, or the contact that's saved at the username that's saved on their WhatsApp account. Only the first name that's saved on their WhatsApp account, or only the first name that's saved on your phone. So we're going to use, I'm always going to use this one. And the reason for that is if it's saved on your phone, then that's ideal. And if it's not, then it still works, which I'll show you. And then there's one other thing you can do, which is called Spintax, which is quite interesting. I'm just going to grab the code from here. So what this basically does is this adds in unique aspects to the message. So I'll just use their demonstration, but it's quite interesting. So it means this part of the message will randomly rotate between saying hello, hi, and hola. So it could, I think it will definitely come in useful as we try and make messages more personal. Haven't quite figured out what it is yet, but it's a nice feature anyway. So, so hello to first name, hope you're doing well. Have you paid your deposit yet? And then I'm going to save that template, volunteer chat, and then who do you want to send it to? Right. Well, if you do have the option of actually looking out the people. So if I wanted to send it to, the Office mobile, the new Office mobile, etc., then you can use this feature here. I'm just gonna, that's self-explanatory, so I'm just going to show you how to actually just import it from a list. So I'm just basically going to, like, you could copy and paste any details from a spreadsheet, but I'm just going to use a couple that I know. So I think you leave out the 00, so just 447. And I'll grab the number for the office. Well, up. Okay, so obviously this could just be you could have all the volunteers on a list like this, just to add as and when. So I'm going to call this Jimmy, just as an example. So I'm just going to copy those numbers, go to import from list, paste it, import, and then that is basically you. There's something which puts a separation between the messages just to avoid getting you blocked. But yeah, I'll make sure your it's the right template. But yeah, I just keep that as default. It just means that it takes maybe a few minutes to do it, but you can be working away in the background. Or obviously there's the schedule for later thing, which is it's handy if you're ever doing something like after hours, but you don't want it to reach the person till the next day. So I'm going to click start messaging. And yeah, so it should take about a minute. So there you go, first one has came up. Hi Robbie, hope you're doing well. Have you paid your deposit yet? And then in about 20 seconds or so, the Office Mobile one should pop up as well. Hola Jimmy, hope you're doing well. Okay, pretty self-explanatory, and will allow you to contact any number of the volunteers in one go with a quite personal message.